Hello, my name is Ivan Markov and I was asked by many of my friends about details in regards to the question of investing, personal finance, banking and many more other financial questions which in my mind seem to be less known to the general European young population, especially from the country which I come from, which is a part of Eastern Europe. Now I was thinking about this channel which I'm going to make with regards to what I said before, and my ideas are to basically break down the simple matters of investing, starting from, of course, personal finance, how to make money, jobs, banks, investing of its own by explaining what is the money market, what is the stock market, what is a stock, ETF, mutual fund, bond, and the many other options which there are about that. Then as I'm going, probably will touch a little bit on real estate investing as well, and the many other options which people have about making money. But while making that, I am 21 years of age, I'm young, I myself especially don't proclaim to be a guru, somebody who is a professional at investing. I don't give financial advice professionally, so whatever I say is for your entertainment purposes, so to say. Strictly speaking, my idea was that when I was younger and started working different kinds of jobs, being a waiter or working at a warehouse, which usually you do when you're young, I started to ask myself that the money you make usually is not that great. Of course, if you get your higher education, a bachelor, then a master probably, if you wish to do so, then you can get better salary, of course, but if you rely only on the salary, would that be fine for me? So as I was saying, I started educating myself about the stock markets, financial markets, how it works, because usually there are a lot of applications and options to use, specifically in Europe. Right now I'm aware of at least 3, of which I use only one, which is the British application Revolut. I've heard of eToro as well, and I've heard of Plus 500. Then nobody explains you what to do. Absolutely nobody explains that. Even if you look at another video clips in YouTube, most of the people don't tell you what you really need to know, and that is what the fees mean. How to buy a stock. Do you own the stock? If you sell it, how to sell it? What is the annual administration fee? How they charge you? What taxes do you need to pay on the stocks which you have? When do you need to pay? All these questions which arise many times when I ask myself, okay, I'm doing that, I'm losing money, I'm winning money, okay, fine. But in the end, what is the goal of me trying to understand what is investing? Fine. And after a lot of reading, I finally can say that I have an idea of what is specifically in the stock market. Investing in stocks, mutual funds and ETFs. I'm not that acquainted with bonds or options, but with the first ones which I said, I consider myself to have at least 2 years of experience in the stock market, and I'm willing to share that with whoever watches the video if they are interested, because in my mind, if you don't invest the money you save, which you hopefully save, if you don't save, that's another matter, we'll have a talk about that, you're just basically wasting a lot of hidden potential of your income from the salary. On another point, as I said, I'm quite young and I'm not the experienced person which some people may take that to be as I'm speaking to you. And I would say that I consider this channel and the episodes which I'm going to make regarding investing as a journey on which me and also you are going to get knowledge increase, let's say, like that. I don't know everything. Some of you may know more than me, some of you may know less than me, but my plan is to make like a little community, or at least the people who watch me can get something they want for them as the point of knowledge. Because nobody will teach you at school how to do that. I study economics at university right now, and I'm taking 3 courses related to investing, and they don't teach you how to do that as well at the university. They just teach you how it's done mathematically with equations, with quantitative research, but they don't tell you, okay, you go there, then you buy it, and then what happens? Nobody tells you that, which is strange to me. Because the stock market is basically like a big supermarket of making purchases, investing in the future, in which then you can reap what you sow, let's say. And hopefully after 20 years it would be very big what you get from that. Apart from that, also an idea of mine with regards to that is to make weekly episodes. So every week I'm going to upload a new video regarding a different topic, on which my idea is for them to follow chronologically. And I think that I will start firstly with personal finance, of the 3 big themes in my mind, which are personal finance, investing and taxes, because in every one of these taxes is also quite important. So yes, my plan is to start with personal finance, on which I would speak about
how to save money, why to save money, how to earn money as well,
depending on whether you are my age or younger or older than me. And then hopefully together we will speak in the comments or somewhere else and discuss how everybody is doing, and then if they got the lessons which I plan to give to you in these videos. So starting from personal finance, then we'll go into investing, where we'll touch more precisely on matters of the market and how stocks function, how bonds and options function, and then a step-by-step guide how to actually open an account somewhere, to legitimize yourself, because the company or the bank needs to verify that it's you by personal documentation. And then we go to this process of buying and holding and selling stocks. What does it mean? How to analyze them? Where to look when you look for new stocks? And then what is the goals you have in investing, because you need to set the goals. Anyway, it wouldn't be in any matter fruitful to just invest without anything, just to see what it is. That's not the idea which I plan to do. And then from investing, not only in the stock market, of course, real estate would come up. We'll go to taxes, on which I plan to touch on personal income tax, municipality tax, and of course capital gains tax, which is put on stocks, dividends, and any kind of income which you receive outside of your salary from the job. And these are hidden things. Some countries speak about them more openly than others. Some do it for you, others expect you to do it for yourselves. And my idea is to touch upon it, where to find information about that, and how to pay or how to save from taxes, because there are simple tricks which you can do to save from taxes, tax deductibles. It's what it's called, but we'll touch upon later than that. So I guess that would be for my introduction of the channel which I plan to make. My idea is that I'll read the comments, hopefully there are some, and I would like to receive some feedback about what do you think about what I'm doing. Do you feel that it's interesting for you? And of course, after we touch on those themes which I said, that would be probably around 20 to 30 videos regarding the part which I want to explain. After that, my idea is that speaking with you in the comments, we can discuss topics which I can say that I have a knowledge about, and then we can make videos about that. And with regards to that, I would say that that's for today, and I'll see you next week.